Did you know that it's estimated that 60% of your propulsion forces off of your foot are coming through your great toe? As we walk and we run, we actually will pronate towards that terminal push-off phase, and we should be rolling off of that big toe. A lot of people are lacking big toe or great toe extension, thus leading into a super stiff joint, which could cause issues such as plantar fasciitis, up the chain, knee pain, and sometimes commonly even low back and or hip pain. Hi, my name is Dr. Antonio with Live Loud Chiropractic and Coaching here in Lafayette, Colorado. And today we're going to show you a simple exercise that you can do anywhere that can help improve your toe extension and flexibility. Now, something to consider is why this happens in the first place. Sedentary lifestyle, sitting for too long, not moving our feet, and one of the big ones is keeping your feet into very tight or restrictive shoes that prevent the toe from moving at all. So we do encourage a lot of barefoot walking, a lot of barefoot training, depending on what your environment is and what your lifestyle and how much that allows, and then always looking at your shoe wear to see what you can improve on. So the exercise, you're going to be on your knees. If you need a little bit of pad on your knees, go ahead and do so. Notice how my tops of my feet are on the ground. I'm actually going to flip that so that my toes are on the ground. And from here, I'm simply going to try to sit back my butt to my heels. And I want to see if you can sit here for 10 seconds. And then we're going to come up. And we're going to work up to a 20-second tolerable sit. Now, tolerable means, okay, like right now I'm starting to feel, yeah, my toes are not hurting but aching a little bit because I'm putting a lot of pressure on them. Now, if you have any sort of orthopedic joint restrictions, joint replacements, or anything like that, that can make this compromising, as always, reach out to your medical provider, your chiro, your PT, or your coach to see if this is right for you. Something that can help, though, is if you have a door or maybe a suspension trainer or something like a banister or something that you can hold on to that can help take some of that load off so that you can work into this exercise a little bit more gradually rather than just dropping all of your weight. Okay? If you do have some knee restrictions, you can sometimes put a pillow or a pad behind your knees and that can take some of that pressure off. But again, we're looking for working up to 20 seconds of a tolerable sit, not that any movement, especially if you are tight, is going to be completely pain-free, but that tolerable movement will get better and better the more you do it. We do not want to be creating pain, so take note of that. But this is a fantastic exercise to work on your foot range of motion, which improves your balance, which improves your proprioception, which will oftentimes have huge carryover to athletic performance or whatever activity you enjoy doing. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Until next time, live loud.